Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to divide 48 by 3 using long division. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's set up our long division problem. We'll write 3 outside and 48 under the division symbol. Let's start with the first digit. How many times does 3 go into 4? It goes in 1 time, so we write 1 above. Now, we multiply 3 times 1, which equals 3. Write this 3 below the 4. Next, we subtract 3 from 4. For minus 3 equals 1. Now we bring down the 8 next to our 1. Now we ask, how many times does 3 go into 18? It goes in 6 times. We multiply 3 times 6, which equals 18. Finally, we subtract 18 from 18, which gives us 0. Since we have no remainder, we're done. Therefore, 48 divided by 3 equals 16. Let's quickly recap. We divided step by step, first seeing how many times 3 goes into 4, then bringing down the 8, and finally dividing 18 by 3. Each step helped us arrive at our final answer of 16.